Once upon a time, in the bustling town of Wordville, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily loved books and stories more than anything else in the world. She dreamed of traveling to far-off lands and meeting new people, but there was one thing holding her back: she didn't speak any languages other than her own. One sunny morning, as Lily was browsing through the shelves of the town library, she stumbled upon a dusty old book titled The Magical Language Lane. Intrigued, she opened it and discovered that it was a guide to learning different languages. The book promised that if she followed its instructions, she would embark on a magical journey through Language Lane, where she would learn to speak any language she desired. Excited by the prospect of adventure, Lily eagerly began her journey down Language Lane. As she walked, she encountered all sorts of fascinating characters. There was Pablo the Spanish-speaking parrot, May the Mandarin-speaking panda, and Pierre the French-speaking poodle. Each one offered to teach Lily their language in exchange for her help with various tasks. With Pablo's help, Lily learned to greet people in Spanish and ask for directions. With May's guidance, she practiced counting and naming colors in Mandarin. And with Pierre's assistance, she perfected her pronunciation of French words and phrases. As Lily traveled further down Language Lane, she encountered new challenges and opportunities to learn. She sang Italian songs with Luigi the singing gondolier, cooked traditional Japanese dishes with Akiko the sushi chef, and danced the samba with Carlos the Brazilian dancer. Along the way, Lily discovered that learning a new language wasn't just about memorizing words and grammar rules. It was also about immersing herself in different cultures, making new friends, and embracing new experiences. Each language she learned opened up a whole new world of possibilities and connections. Finally, after months of exploration and learning, Lily reached the end of Language Lane. She had mastered Spanish, Mandarin, French, Italian, Japanese, Portuguese, and many other languages. But more importantly, she had gained a newfound confidence and appreciation for the richness and diversity of the world around her. As Lily returned home to Wordville, she knew that her adventures down Language Lane were just the beginning. Armed with her newfound language skills and a thirst for knowledge, she was ready to continue exploring, learning, and connecting with people from all walks of life. And wherever her journey took her, she would always remember the magical lessons she had learned along the way.